How to get a ClassPass free trial. ClassPass offers a free trial for new users, allowing you to explore fitness classes, wellness services, and gyms in your area. Follow these steps to activate your free trial. Step 1. Visit the ClassPass website or app. Go to www.classpass.com or download the ClassPass app from your device's app store. Click on the Get Started or Start Free Trial button. Step 2. Create an account. Sign up by entering your email address and creating a password. Alternatively, sign in using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Step 3. Enter your location and preferences. Input your city or location to view available studios and gyms nearby. Select your fitness or wellness preferences, yoga, Pilates, cycling, or massage. Step 4. Confirm the free trial offer. You'll see the number of credits included in your trial displayed on the screen. Click Start Free Trial to proceed. Step 5. Add payment information. Provide a valid credit or debit card. ClassPass will not charge you during the free trial, but charges will apply after the trial ends unless canceled. Step 6. Explore and book classes or services. Use your trial credits to book fitness classes, gym sessions, or wellness services through the app or website. Credits vary in value depending on the activity, time, and location. Step 7. Cancel before the trial ends if needed. Log into your ClassPass account. Navigate to Account Settings, Membership Settings. Select Cancel Membership to avoid being charged after the trial period. By following these steps, you can enjoy ClassPass for free during the trial period and decide if it fits your fitness and wellness needs.